Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to break down what dropshipping is and how you can get started. Whether you're a total beginner or just curious about this business model, you are in the right place. So let's dive in. What is dropshipping? It's one of the easiest way to start an online business, especially if you are looking to sell physical products directly to consumers without the hassle of holding any inventory. Here how it's works. You, as a dropshipping store owner, create an online store where you list your products at retail price. When a customer places an order on your site, the order details are automatically sent to your supplier. Then the supplier ships those products directly to consumer. Simple as that, right? And the best part, you never ever have to touch the product. For example, let's say you're selling a cool lamp for $49.99. Your supplier charges you at $19.99 for the same lamp. The difference? That's your profit. $30 straight to your pocket. So, what it takes to start a successful dropshipping business? I'm going to break it down into three main elements: the product, the store, and your marketing skills. Let's talk about the product. First up, to succeed in any dropshipping business, you need to find a good product with a solid profit margin. Better the wholesale price from your supplier, the more profit you make. Here are a few well-known dropshipping websites to help you find your first winning product: CJ Dropshipping and Dropshipping.io, just to name a couple. Next, let's talk about your store. Once you found a product, it's time to create your storefront and start listing those products. The great news is, you can start building your Shopify store for just $1 on a 3-month trial. Shopify even offers you a free theme to get your store up running quickly. Not sure how to set up your online store? No worries. You can easily find someone on Fiverr to help you build your first store. And yes, I've included all the useful links down below to help you get started. Marketing skills. Okay, now that your store is ready and your products are listed, it's time to focus on the third and the most crucial element: marketing skills. It's all about how well you can market your product. You could have the best products in the world, but if you don't know how to sell it, you won't make any money. So get on social media, start advertising, and get your product in front of as many eyes as possible. There are a ton of YouTuber channels out there to guide you on dropshipping, which is undoubtedly a great business model to start your entrepreneurial journey. But remember, no sales mean no money. So there you have it, a quick rundown on what dropshipping is and how you can get started. Remember, it's all about finding the right product, setting a great store, and nailing your marketing skills. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. For the more tips and how to kickstart your business journey, thanks for watching. I'll see you in